shooters, do you understand the course of fire?
Yeah.
And open fire. Good, good. That was a good shot. Good stuff. Good stuff. We have to know our weapon conditions are ready to go at all times. Because if we're attacked and our weapons are not ready to go, we're doomed, right? So, you know, I have an old saying that I like to say, semper paratus. See, this CO2 didn't activate right, so I have to dish this. See what I mean?
Yeah.
After I dish this, what do? I put a new mag in.
Okay, there's a trick to doing this. No mag.
This is why you have to test your weapons. This is a valuable lesson, why you have to test.
Yeah.
This is why we test our weapons. We have to make sure they're in functioning order. We have to make sure that when you're dealing with these projectile launchers, these tips here have to be lubricated with WD-40. You know what I mean? This is normal. This is a normal part of the learning process. I know people...
Wait. I must have not screwed this piece up. No.
And this is a good commercial for Saber right now. You got to admit, like we're having issues with everything but the Saber, you know.
Okay, this one had a problem with it. I didn't put the safety in right. There's a certain way you got to do it, and I didn't do it right. You know. Amazing, isn't it?
You definitely take out somebody's vision with that.
Yeah.
And then as far as pain compliance, I would say pain compliance is 100%, you know, a factor. Get the whole table. Remember,
Okay.
wide shots.
Wide shots. So the Crosman Vigilante is one of the most devastating pistols I ever encountered. It's very much like a flying ice pick. With proper shot placement, it can be lethal. And it's not hard to get accurate with this pistol. As you can see, it's got good sights, it's ready to go, and it's cheap. Only $60 on Amazon. You could buy a bunch of these and modify the handle to a quick twist with a Dremel, you know? So it is a great launcher on a budget, you could say. But it requires a certain type of pellet. Two types of pellets that are only good for this, and they gotta be pointy. They're your Crosman Fast Flights, non-lead pellets that are like steel-headed and got a plastic collar, you know what I mean? And you got your H&N Hornets, which are much more expensive. So the Crosman Fast Flights are a cheaper option. I buy more Crosman Fast Flights these days. But as you can see, it's like getting stung by a bee. You know, you don't want to be around when you're getting stung, now do you?